Hey, welcome to my latest video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you Kajabi Free Trial in 2026. So looking to start an online course, coaching business, membership site or digital product business. Then you have probably heard about Kajabi. But before paying for the platform, you are probably wondering, can you try Kajabi for free? The answer is yes. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to get Kajabi 30 days free trial, what is included, and how to maximize it before spending any money. So let's get into it. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that lets you create and sell online courses, coaching programs, membership sites, newsletters, digital products, sales funnels, email marketing campaigns. Basically, instead of paying for multiple tools, Kajabi puts everything in one place. Now, to get the Kajabi free trial, click the link in the video description below to the official Kajabi website. On the official partner page, click on claim your 30 days free trial button. Then create your account using your email and password. Kajabi may ask you for business name and a few setup details, but the process only takes a couple of minutes. So once you are inside, you immediately get access to Kajabi premium features for 30 days. That means you can build your website, create products, set up landing pages, launch email campaign, and even create sales funnel without paying upfront. What I like about the Kajabi free trial is that it gives you enough time to actually test the platform properly. So you can explore the dashboard, upload course content, customize your pages, and see whether Kajabi fits your business model before committing to the paid plan. And if you are serious about building an online business, this trial is definitely worth checking out. So if you want to try Kajabi for yourself, so I will leave the partner link below this below this video, and below this video, therefore you can create your free account and use Kajabi for 30 days. So, and if this video helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more video on online business tools, course platform, and digital marketing software. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.